Thank you very much for joining us on TVC Midday News. We begin in Abuja and, of course, continue our coverage of the political situation in Rivers State. This after last week's defection of 27 lawmakers to the All Progressives Congress. Well, now we've got reports from Abuja that the Federal High Court has stopped the Independent National Electoral Commission from declaring vacant the seat of the 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The court stopped INEC from organizing by-elections to elect the 27 members of the House. The DSS and the police were also restrained from withdrawing security detail of the House of Assembly members. You would recall that the 27 members defected from the People's Democratic Party to the APC last Monday over an alleged lack of cohesion in the PDP. And TVC News Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area joins me now on the news to speak more about this development from the courts. Hello, Celestina. So tell us more about this order that these lawmakers got to aid their bid in the State House of Assembly in Rivers State.
Welcoming, this order was granted on Friday. It was an ex parte motion filed by the plaintiffs, and the court deemed it fit to grant the order. Although nothing was said about the order up until today, but to recall over the weekend there was a particular order dating 18th of December that was circulated, whereby some people alleged that was the order that Dr. Okoro was to deliver today. But on getting to the court today, I found out that the order was given, but it was delivered on Friday. So, yes, the court has stopped INEC from declaring vacant the seats of the 27 lawmakers who defected, and also ordered the DSS and the police not to withdraw their security detail. But if you look at Section 109J of the Constitution, that section outlines how or by which means the seat of a sitting member can be declared vacant. That particular section talks about when the particular member leaves his political party that sponsored him to go to another political party. This decision clear as to how cross-carpeting can be allowed. Yes, the Supreme Court said that you can only cross-carpet from one political party to another political party where there's division in your political party. If there's a division in the national structure of a political party, you are at liberty to cross-carpet, but not when all is well with your political party. You are leaving the party that sponsored you to go to another party. It was on that premise that the Speaker, Edison, he declared vacant their seat. But if you look at the precedent of what is before the court right now, there is order of Rivers State High Court granting legislative powers to Edison, yes, and also 4 other members, and also restraining the other 27 members from interfering with his duties. Now, what we would have expected is the fact that if issues are being joined by them at Rivers State High Court, and they are not completely comfortable with the judgment or the order of the court, they would have appealed that judgment or that order. But coming to the Federal High Court, we know Federal High Court is one jurisdiction, and the Federal High Court now has given its order. It's not like a conflicting order or contradicting order of court of coordinate jurisdiction. So now this that was granted on Friday was an ex parte order, and the motion on notice has been filed. So we don't know where this will go from here or how it will be moving forward. Since this Rivers State High Court is sitting on an issue or a matter that has same subject matter as that Justice Okoro has given this same order. So this is something that we would like to follow up to see how it ends.
Exactly, because you've just raised, very crucial points now. The court in Rivers State, the return date for the interlocutory application is this Friday. But tell us more beyond the ex parte order granted by the Abuja Federal High Court. So what's the update or what's the latest? Is there a return date for both parties? Because this is an ex parte order. So did the court also go on to give a date as to when it will hear all sides on the matter?
Yes. The court gave 28th of December for hearing. But the thing about it is that the court is going on vacation or has gone on vacation today, and the court said parties should return on the 28th of of December. But with no ex parte motion, it has to just be one side. The plaintiff will have to come and make his or her claim before the court, tendering evidence as to why the court should grant that order. So what we expect or hope to see is, by the time Justice Okorowo sits on the 28th, the facts will be placed before him as to the fact that there is a subsisting court order in respect to this particular case. So probably the plaintiff did not make it known to the court. Hence, the order given by Justice Okorowo. But we know my Lord Justice Okorowo probably will have gone through all the sides and given the order. So on the 28th of December, we'll go to the court and hear what the court has to say and the parties, their submission before the court.
Celestina Area, that'll be all for now. But thanks a lot for your updates on this controversy.